Today I'm going to be making super easy peanut butter cookies. 3 ingredients: 1 egg, 1 cup of peanut butter, half a cup of white sugar. Those are the ingredients, so let's get started. First thing, we'll get our white sugar into our bowl, our peanut butter into the bowl next. You will not believe how easy this recipe is. Super easy. Okay, that's our peanut butter. So I'll grab my mixer. We'll get that going. We'll slowly start creaming this up together. So I'm just on speed number 1 here, just until it's incorporated. There we go. Now you can add a little speed into it. And then our 1 and only egg. There we go. And just get that mixed in well. Alright, and that's it for the actual recipe. Just going to take my whole mixture now and get it onto the plastic wrap. Okay, there we go. And then get your plastic wrap over it and start forming a log. You can make these cookies as small as you wish or as large, doesn't really matter. So once you form it, you can adjust your plastic wrap a little bit better. You want to make it, uniform enough so that baking time will not vary too much throughout the cookies. Okay, I'm just going to get this onto a tray, and I'm just going to chill this down so that it holds its shape when we cut them. So you can either put this into the fridge if you're not, in a rush, or you can pop it into the freezer. So I'll come back, I'll tell you exactly how long I left it in, and then we're going to chop them up and onto our baking tray and into the oven. Alright, my dough has been in for a good 45 minutes or so. I'm just going to unwrap it. It's not totally frozen, but it's chilled enough to cut. So I'm just going to get it out like that. There we go. Okay, I've got a tray here with some parchment paper all ready to go. And what I'm going to simply do now is just cut off little cookies. See how easy chilling the dough works with this recipe? You can do this with all kinds of different cookies. And there we go. Just give them enough, room to breathe. They're going to expand a little bit. Okay, I've got a little bit of just regular white sugar here. You can just press your fork just like that. Once it picks up the moisture from the first cookie, it'll get a little bit of sugar on there at the same time. This is optional. It also keeps your fork from sticking. So just do your little crisscross pattern. That's traditional with a peanut butter cookie. So I'll just whip through these and I'll be back. And our last cookie, there we go. Perfect. So I'm going to pop these into my 325 degree Fahrenheit oven for 15 minutes. So I'm going to bake these up and I'll be back and show you the final product in a while. Alright, my peanut butter cookies have cooled right down. I had them in the oven for 18 minutes total time at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. If you make your cookies a little bit smaller, it's going to take about 15 minutes, but I'll just show you what they look like, the nice structure. You can see that they're very firm, however, very nice and soft. So they hold their shape, and look at that. Really good. So there we have it. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch
Or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.